In this video, we're going to cover 5 sneaky West Coast swing technique tips that you might not have heard. My name is Brian B.
I'm Miss Megan.
All right, so the first one is that the anchor step connection starts earlier than you think. 1, 2, 3, and 4. When does this anchor step connection start? And the answer is it starts on count 4 of a 6-beat pattern. So on count 4 of a 6-beat pattern is this 1, 2, 3, and 4. By count 4, you want to start to be aware of that connection, and it builds to its max on the 5 and 6. So another 6-count pattern, 1, 2, 3, and connect, and then we fill out the connection. That only changes on an 8-beat count pattern where it's going to start on count 6. I call it the step before the anchor. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6 is where we start. Anchor 7 and 8. But if your pattern goes many beats, you just want to think the the step before the anchor. 3 and 4, we extend this out. Boom, boom. The step before the anchor is where your connection is going to start for a good anchor step. Number 2 is West Coast Swing is a 2-beat increment dance. So in the beginning, it's very confusing. Is it 6-beat patterns or 8-beat patterns? And then we extend patterns. Are we a 6-beat dance? 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Are we an 8-beat dance? 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Or are we a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 10-beat dance? I don't know. Here's the best way to think about it. 2 beats. If I think about a sugar push, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2. If I think about a whip, 1, 2, 1, and 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2. If I extend it to a crazy pattern, 1, 2, 1, and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2. Think about it in 2-bit increments and you'll be better off. Number 3, Miss Megan.
Yes, you have to connect to yourself, not just your partner.
Explain, please.
So I'm actually going to turn to the other side to explain this. You can be connected to your partner and be really far away with your arms straight, but there can be connection to your partner. But it is going to be way easier if you connect your side and arm muscles to your core. What I mean by that, if you pull back on your lat, you will engage those muscles and they will be more attached to yourself. That way, if your leader leads you in a turn or a pass, you can feel that move. If a turn, you're not just spaghetti arming it and you won't follow it if you're not connected. But if you're connected, you'll be able to follow 1, 2 on time.
Beautiful. And you can't see that on the camera. It feels way better. When she does the bad one, it feels terrible. When she does the good one, it feels great.
That applies to both leaders and followers.
Oh, thank you very much, Miss Megan. Speaking about leaders, we've been told that there's 2 connections in West Coast Swing, some sort of away connection or leverage or tension, depending upon who your teacher is, and some sort of a toward or compression connection. There is a third one, not often talked about, which is a rotational connection, which leads into Megan's connect to yourself. We use rotational connection, 1 on a prep. I've asked Megan to leave this side back. She's not purely linearly connecting, but she's rotationally connecting. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. You can feel it in patterns like this, off script, not basic, where I'm turning a whip and we're rotating into that connection. You see that with a lot of the cool kids. There are these rotational style moves and connections, so think about rotational connection on occasion in West Coast Swing, which leads us to number 5, talking about turns. You have to turn your foot before you actually turn. Here's what I mean about that. Let's define turn. Did I turn to you at this point? One could say that I did, but in dancing we have to define it a little differently. In this case, if I turn my feet towards you, I have now turned. That's a good way to think about it. And turn and dance is through the feet, not necessarily through the body. So if I'm going to do an inside turn, I'll put Megan on this side of the camera. Actually, we'll both do it. We dance 1, 2. 1, 2. Megan's going to do the proper footwork, turning through her feet. We do count 3. We do count and. We do count 4. Did both of us almost kind of get there? Yes. did one of us look like they were turning as we would like to turn, and did one of us look like we were stepping? I did not turn. So we do it again. Let's see if we can go all the way through, and I'll do it terrible. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. I got to the same place, but what did I not do? I didn't turn my feet. So can you talk about turning your feet?
Yes, so 1, 2. We all talk about the other side closing or whatever else, but your actual supporting foot has to rotate on the floor for you to not have issues with your knees and actually have a good spin. So as everything closes for your spin, you need to let your foot rotate on the floor. So we're going to go close. Even when you're doing this step, the supporting foot needs to rotate and then rotate again, triple step.
And one of our favorite drills is just simply this rock forward quarter turn drill where we rock forward and you break that left foot free. And we rock forward again. Doesn't matter if we're doing half turns. I'll come all the way around. So if we're practically doing that, go ahead, Megan, you do the regular turn, and I'm just going to do the walk, walk. Ready? Walk, walk, and you turn. You can see the releasing of this foot. If you watch it in slow-mo, you'd see Megan's foot release as she's turning. Don't get obsessed about where and when and why and how. Just make sure that your feet turn so that your body turns better in West Coast swing. Speaking of West Coast swing techniques, you'll want to watch this video where we go deep dive into 7 West Coast swing technique tips that you need to know. If you want some free stuff, we love giving away free stuff. We've created a free ebook and a bunch of other resources. I'll link it right here. You can go in that. It's a choose your own adventure style. Click styling, musicality, turns, whatever. You can click on that ebook, and I'll give you tons of free resources to help you level up your game. See you on a dance floor soon.